Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.1 question number 9. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Right. Let us write the different natural numbers from 102 to 112. This is the solution of question number 9. First of all, you have to write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. 102, 103, 104, 104, 105, 105, then 106, 1, 0, 6, 107, 7, 108, 107, then 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Right? Here you see that you have written the natural numbers 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, and 113. Now you have to choose the prime numbers, right? Here you see 102, it is divisible by 3, and 103, it is divisible by 2 also. 103, it is a prime number. We circle this number, that is 103. It is not a prime number. 105 is not a prime number. 106 is not a prime number. 107, this is a prime number. We circle this one, right? 108 is not prime number. 109, it is also a prime number. 110, not prime number. 111, not a prime number. 112, not a prime number. 113, prime numbers, right? There are 4 prime numbers, right? It is 103, 107, 109, and 113. There are 4 prime numbers. And how many total numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That means 12 natural numbers. That is 4 by 12. 4 by 4 by 12. 4 by 12. Right? If we cut, change into lowest term, that is 4 1 is 4 and 4 3 is 12. That is equal to 1 by 3. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Therefore, 1 by 3 of them are prime numbers. Them are prime numbers. Are prime numbers. Once again we are repeating. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Here we have written 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Out of these, we find the prime numbers. That is 103 is prime number, 107 is prime number, 109 is prime number, and 113 is a prime number. Right? Therefore, how many prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And how many natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. Therefore, 4 by 12. Right. Therefore, if we change it into Lowest term, that is 4 and 4, 4 3 12. Therefore, 1 by 3 of them are prime numbers. What fraction of them are prime numbers? 1 by 3 of them are prime numbers. This is the solution of question number 9.